Question: how can subconscious work help professionals make clearer, faster decisions under pressure? When we are under pressure, we tend to go to our default mode. So, all the different hiding spots: avoidance, aggressive, dominating. So, whatever you're kind of programmed by in the subconscious before age 7. So, how you react to stress and problems is how you're going to do that in modern day adult life. When we do the subconscious work, we clear out the patterns because many of the patterns are inherited. We learn them. So, culture, nurture, nature, it's both because we just keep our families, our culture keeps repeating until we break the cycle. In the subconscious work, we're breaking cycles. When the cycle is broken, our default mode is gone because we've solved the problem, we've healed the issue. Then you can come from a conscious place, a more grounded place, a more place of self-respect, self-love, self-awareness, understanding who you are. And a lot of the obstacles that we have inside of us that we have to overcome every time we have a communication or we make a decision, those obstacles are gone. So you have a clearer, faster, cognitive loop of you and you instead of you, obstacle, 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 you. Hope that makes sense.